Hi guys, now I would like to share how do you do your staking in the Master EDCOIN wallet. So for those who have not downloaded the Master EDCOIN wallet, I would suggest you go ahead to your Google Play Store and download the Master EDCOIN wallet. So it's totally free. For those new users, please register yourself an account, and for those who have a user in the staking website way back that time on our first campaign of the staking, you can use the same login details for the Master EDCOIN wallet. All your information will be all migrated over here successfully. Now do bear with us for the time being. Right now it's only on the Google Android Play Store. The Apple App Store will still need a little more time for the approval because Apple have just changed their policy. Okay, now I'm gonna proceed with the Master EDCOIN wallet tutorial. How do you do staking? So this is the app. Download it, click it, and you will come to this interface. Please just register a new one if you doesn't have. I have one, so I'm just gonna put in my username and my password. Okay, I do suggest you guys to click remember me, because if you don't click this, every time when you launch the app, you have to put in your username and password. Now if I click remember me, it will be logged in for 2 weeks, so I can exit the app, I can come in again. The app will still be there. don't have to always key in this password, right? So for new users, please click register instead. I have an account, so I'm just gonna log in. So once you have logged in, it will show this. This is by default a two-factor authentication email. So by default is via the email format. The two-factor authentication, 2FA, is through email. Okay, so I'm just gonna go to my email. I'm just gonna get the 6-digit code, 718442. So now I have successfully verified. I am logged in. So this is my wallet. This is exactly my wallet. Now for those who want to do the staking, is very simple. Just click into the staking icon. You'll come to this page and just click continue. Now there's a few plans here for you to pick from a 30 days you get 0.5, 90 days you get 3%, 180 days, 360 days, and 720 days. Now the most popular one, the last campaign we did, was the 720 days and 360 days, but it's up to you which one you want to go for. I'm just gonna do a demonstration on the 720 days because that's the most popular one. Okay, now just click here, stake. It will come to this page. Just key in any quantity of your liking, right? You can put in whatever amount so long it's not more than your balance. Now I know I have 100 over 1000. I'm just gonna put in 10,000 for a demonstration. So 10,000 of EDCOIN, you will earn 45%, which is 4,500 EDCOIN at the end of the staking period. Now click I have read and agreed with all these statements, and then you have two methods again. For by default is the email authentication. Okay, for those advanced user, and I would suggest you guys do it as well, please proceed to your settings and just enable your Google authentication, right? It will be much simpler from here on if you have a Google authentication, but for this demo purpose, I'm just gonna do the email authentication. So click email authentication. This is the summary of the plan. 720 days, 10,000 EDCOIN, you will earn 4,500. Okay, same thing, go and check your email. You should get your 6-digit number for this verification. So let me put in mine and click submit. Now you have successfully staked the plan, and that's it. You are clean, right? You can go to your dashboard. So you see how to check your staking, right? Go back to the staking, click continue. Look at the current plan here. The current plan, this is the one that I just staked, right? The time, the countdown is running. You can see 719 days, 17 hours is ongoing, and I will be earning 4,005 EDCOIN at the end of the tenure. So this is how staking works. It's very simple. I would recommend everyone who are on the call, who are rewatching this video recording, please migrate all your EDCOIN apps, EDCOINs, and your marketplace EDCOINs into the Master EDCOIN wallet, the Me wallet, if you want to do the staking to take advantage of this program, right? So this won't be long. I think you're gonna run for 30 days or until the cap of the quota is met. Okay, so this is how you do staking. I hope you guys get it. If you have any questions, please go to our Telegram, ask questions there. There are customer supports to help you, right? With that, this is how you do staking. If there's any questions, I'll be still here to answer them.